The year is 2025, a year that many have been eagerly anticipating, especially in the world of real estate. A new dawn is breaking. The horizon is filled with opportunities and challenges alike. The world of real estate investment is buzzing with anticipation. Investors, developers, and homebuyers are all keen to see what this year holds. Is this the year to make your move? The market dynamics are shifting, and the stakes are higher than ever. Will the dream of owning a piece of the earth become a reality? For many, this is the ultimate goal, a symbol of stability and success. Many experts believe that 2025 could be a pivotal year for real estate. They point to emerging trends and evolving market conditions. However, like any investment, it's crucial to weigh the potential rewards against the risks. The market can be unpredictable and due diligence is essential. Let's dive in and explore the factors shaping the real estate landscape in 2025. From economic indicators to technological advancements, there's a lot to consider. We'll analyze the trends, crunch the numbers, and hear from the experts. Their insights will help us navigate this complex and ever-changing market. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of whether 2025 is the right time for you to invest in real estate. Remember, knowledge is power. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make. Arm yourself with information and you'll be well on your way to making smart investment decisions. Attend seminars, read up on market trends, and consult with experts. The future of real estate is uncertain, but it also holds tremendous potential. With the right strategy, you can turn uncertainty into opportunity. Are you ready to unlock it? The key to success lies in your hands. The global economy is in a state of flux. Interest rates are fluctuating. Inflation is a concern. These factors create uncertainty for any investor, especially those considering real estate. The cost of borrowing money is directly impacted by interest rates. When rates rise, mortgages become more expensive. This can price potential home buyers out of the market, leading to a cooling effect on real estate. Furthermore, a volatile economy can make investors hesitant. Uncertainty breeds caution. People may be less likely to make large investments, like buying a property, when the economic outlook is unclear. The economic climate in 2025 is complex, and it's essential to understand these factors before making any investment decisions. The investment landscape is rapidly evolving. New and innovative investment opportunities are constantly emerging. Cryptocurrency, NFTs, and fractional ownership are just a few examples of alternative investments that have gained popularity in recent years. These alternative investments offer investors more options. This can be both exciting and daunting. On the one hand, investors now have more choices for diversifying their portfolios. On the other hand, it can be challenging to determine which investments are right for their individual needs and risk tolerance. The rise of alternative investments has undoubtedly added another layer of complexity to the investment decision-making process. Experts remain optimistic about real estate. Despite the economic uncertainties and the rise of alternative investments, many experts remain optimistic about the future of real estate. They argue that real estate remains a tangible and historically stable investment. Unlike stocks or cryptocurrencies, which can be highly volatile, real estate represents a physical asset. Furthermore, real estate often acts as a hedge against inflation. As the cost of goods and services rises, so too does the value of real estate. This can make real estate a particularly attractive investment during times of economic uncertainty. While acknowledging the challenges, experts highlight the enduring appeal of real estate in an ever-changing investment landscape. A new generation of homebuyers. The demographics of the housing market are changing. Millennials, the largest generation in history, are entering their prime homebuying years. Gen Z, the generation following millennials, is not far behind. This influx of new buyers is expected to create significant demand in the housing market. Millennials and Gen Z have different priorities and preferences than previous generations. They are more likely to value sustainability, technology, and urban living. This is influencing the types of homes being built and the locations where people are choosing to live. The changing demographics of the housing market present both challenges and opportunities for real estate investors. Technology is transforming real estate. Technology is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, and real estate is no exception. The integration of advanced technologies is reshaping the landscape of the real estate industry, making it more dynamic and interconnected. From smart home devices that enhance living experiences to sophisticated data analytics that provide deeper market insights, the impact is profound. PropTech or property technology is rapidly changing the way we buy, sell, and manage real estate. This sector is seeing a surge in innovation, with startups and established companies alike developing new tools and platforms. These advancements are not only streamlining transactions but also providing more transparency and security in the process. From online platforms that connect buyers and sellers to virtual reality tours that allow potential buyers to experience properties remotely, technology is making the real estate market more efficient and accessible than ever before. These virtual tours are particularly beneficial in today's global market, where buyers can explore properties from anywhere in the world without the need for physical travel. Moreover, technology is enabling new business models in real estate. Innovative approaches, such as blockchain for secure transactions and AI-driven property management systems are emerging, offering new ways to handle real estate operations. These technologies are reducing costs and increasing efficiency, making real estate transactions smoother and more reliable. For example, crowdfunding platforms are making it possible for individuals to invest in large-scale real estate projects with smaller amounts of capital. This is opening up the market to a broader audience, allowing more people to participate in real estate investments that were previously out of reach. This is democratizing real estate investment and opening up opportunities for a wider range of investors. By lowering the barriers to entry, these platforms are fostering a more inclusive investment environment, where anyone with a small amount of capital can become a stakeholder in significant real estate ventures. The integration of technology and real estate is creating exciting possibilities for both investors and consumers alike. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions that will further transform the real estate landscape, making it more accessible, efficient, and inclusive for everyone involved. 2025, a year of opportunity for savvy investors. As we've explored, the real estate market in 2025 is a dynamic landscape shaped by various factors. Economic uncertainties, the rise of alternative investments, evolving demographics, and rapid technological advancements all play a role in shaping the market's trajectory. The integration of smart home technologies and virtual reality tours has revolutionized the way properties are bought and sold. Despite the challenges, experts remain cautiously optimistic. They believe that with the right strategies, investors can navigate through the uncertainties and find lucrative opportunities. The demand for housing, driven by a new generation of home buyers, particularly millennials, is on the rise. This demographic shift is creating new opportunities in the market, coupled with the potential for market corrections, which can create entry points for savvy investors looking to capitalize on lower prices. Presents opportunities for savvy investors. Those who are able to identify undervalued properties and invest wisely can reap significant rewards. Those who are willing to do their research, understand the risks, and stay informed about market trends, and embrace technology, will be best positioned to capitalize on the opportunities that arise in 2025. Utilizing advanced property management software and staying connected through mobile technology can give investors a competitive edge. The future of real estate is unwritten. The landscape is constantly evolving, and those who adapt will thrive. The decisions you make today will determine your success tomorrow. It's crucial to stay proactive and make informed choices. Are you ready to invest in your future? The opportunities are vast, and the potential for growth is immense. Now is the time to take action and secure your place in the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.